Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper One, and here's your news of the day. There is a lot of news, so I will go quickly through this, and I'm actually going to leave out a lot of news that I originally was going to plan to put in it. CNN is reporting that we are probably going to get a new nationwide federal mandate on the mask. This is going to come down imminent, probably today. So CDC is going to put out a new mask policy. Also, California in Los Angeles, they have asked for mandated masks to be worn by the vaccinated and unvaccinated people. There was a massive explosion in Germany. This was at an industrial complex. One of the companies that represents this facility is Bayer. There was 5 missing people that they can't locate, numerous injured, and 2 being very severe. So this will probably affect us in the United States, the logistical supply line. Another damage has been done to it. Also, I've reported numerous times that you need to make sure you have your coffee, and this is further proof that you should. The Arabica coffee that's grown in Brazil, yesterday the futures went up 9% because they're having more freezing temperatures and more loss of crop. Last week, it was a 20% jump on the futures market. This will probably affect Starbucks because Starbucks uses 100% Arabica coffee from Brazil. Durable goods orders slowed in June, more than expected. So is this a start of a recession or a slowing down? Airlines are reporting shortages of aviation fuel. It started out west and now is spreading across the United States. This is probably a shortage more of tankers and truckers getting the fuel from one point to another point. Airlines said they will be flying in fuel to small and medium-sized airports. They've also said that they're going to have to probably add in some stops for refueling to make sure they have fuel in their planes. They've also put out to their pilots, conserve fuel, and this can be done by when you're taxiing, turn one of your engines off. For me, I would like both engines running to make sure they're good to go before we start lifting off. Biden administration is also saying that all combat troops in Iraq should be out by the end of 2021. The Biden administration took the wall and canceled the whole wall project on our southern border. You might think this is saving us money, but it's actually not. They have spent $600 to $700 million in penalties of breaking contracts, also in hiring security guards to watch all of the building materials for the wall sitting in the desert. They're projected to spend another $1.2 billion. So it will cost us approximately $1.8 billion to cancel the building project, and we have nothing to show for it. If you're looking for a high-end gaming PC and you live in California, Colorado, Hawaii, Oregon, Vermont, you're out of luck. These states have passed regulations not allowing them because they consume too much power. And these are the same states that want millions and millions of electric cars. If they can't handle the PC gaming computers, we're going to be in real trouble when we add more vehicles, electric vehicles. Israel had a drone strike into Iraq. They attacked an ammo depot of an Iranian-backed militia group. Israel's being blamed for it, but they have not confirmed or taken responsibility for this drone attack. Black Lives Matter, there's a group, Dallas Justice Now. They have sent letters to 2 of the wealthy Texas neighborhoods asking for the white people to pledge publicly and sign it online that they would not send their privileged white children to any Ivy League school or any top 50 school in the United States. Failing to take this pledge and publicly put it on their website, they're threatening to dox the people that do not sign it, the white people that do not sign it. The Colts head coach, he was fully vaccinated. He has tested positive for COVID. Also, the VA, if you work for the VA in any aspect, you're in their facility, you will need to be vaccinated. I think they're giving you be fully vaccinated 8 weeks. Failing to do so will probably result in your termination. A lot more news, but this is the highlights of it. If it breaks first, you'll hear it first on Southern Prepper One. Thanks for watching.